Hello students, welcome to this video on marketing management. I am Tirtha Prasad K, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Government First Aid College, Channapatna. So welcome to this video on services marketing under module number 2 on marketing mix and legal aspects of marketing. Starting with the objectives of this class, we are going to understand components of services marketing mix, and we understand features of services marketing, and we study with examples. So we shall start the session on services marketing mix. So we shall understand what is services marketing. Services marketing is a set of activities, or it is a combination of marketing activities which an organization undertakes in order to promote and sell intangible services to the consumers. Okay, so services are essentially intangible, but still there are some tangible elements present in service delivery. Okay, in this picture on the left side you see the features of services. Firstly, services are intangible. So services are mostly intangible. For example, when you see a movie in a theater, it's your personal experience. It is intangible. It's your feel. Okay, it's your experience, personal experience. So it is intangible, non-physical. But when you buy a product like clothes or uh, groceries or health and hygiene items, anything, it's a physical product. Okay, it is tangible. You can touch it, you can smell it. Okay, you can taste it or whatever. So services are mostly intangible. And the second one, no ownership. Services are not owned by anyone. Services are delivered with the use of skills and talents. Okay, when you go to a beauty parlor, the beautician or barber uses his skills and talent to give services to the customer. Okay, so services are not owned by anyone in that sense. He just uses his skill or talent to give beauty services, beautician services. And the third one, inseparability. So services have this feature, inseparability. We can make distinction between physical products and intangible services. But in real world, there is no such distinction. Products do have certain type of services like after sales service, installation service, warranty, okay, customer service, okay. So they are services bundled with the physical product. In case of services also, there are some tangible physical elements present in its delivery. Like suppose we go to a hotel or restaurant, we see the menu card. If the menu card is made of some quality paper, we feel impressed. Okay, and if the ambience is so good and the furniture, everything is so neat and clean, we feel good about the restaurant. So services do have some physical evidence. I mean tangible elements also. Got it. So in conclusion, Products do have certain type of services, and services also do have some tangible elements, physical elements. So that is why it is called inseparable. Services are inseparable. Next one, variability. Services delivery varies from one customer to another. Just take an example of beautician, the same example. Services delivered to each customer are based on the customer's requirements. Okay, the service which the customer asks for is to be delivered. If he asks for haircut, the beautician should do it. If he asks for like facial, the beautician should do it. Okay, so services vary from one customer to another customer. The same thing happens in case of food delivery also. Food has to be delivered to the customer based on his requirements. If he asks for less salt, less spicy food, or less sugar, the waiter has to deliver the same. Okay, that is why services vary from one customer to another customer. Then perishability. Services cannot be stored like products. Products can be stored in a warehouse, but services cannot be stored. Suppose in a movie theater, if some 100 seats go empty in a show, it is lost forever. They cannot be stored for the next show. So services are perishable. People involvement is there in delivery of services. So people are so important in delivery of services. Without them, services cannot be delivered. They may be waiters or musicians or beauticians or barbers. Okay. So without people, we cannot deliver services. So there may be customer service staff, uh, now we shall study the additional three P's of services marketing mix. The first one is people. I just said people involvement is very important in service delivery. So people are those who actually serve or deliver a service to customers. So this is an additional element of marketing mix in case of services marketing. So food and beverages, we go to hotels, restaurants. We call those people as waiters or caterers. Okay. So barber or beautician in a haircut salon who does grooming to customers. And the second additional P is process. Process basically refers to the manner in which services are delivered. Suppose in case of a restaurant, see the picture on the left side. So tables and chairs are neatly arranged. Tissue paper is placed on the table. Lighting is good. The floor looks neat. Okay. There is good ambience. So here the process is to first book a table, then you refer to the menu card, then order for food, wait for serving, then have food, and finally pay the bill. So this is the normal procedure we do at most restaurants. We can take another example. Suppose in an airport, we first book an airline ticket. We go to the counter and get a boarding pass. They check the luggage. They weigh the luggage actually. They collect charges for carrying additional luggage, and then at the time of departure, they let us in to board the airplane. Okay, so this is the normal procedure we go through at airports. So this is called process. The third and last one in the additional three P's of services marketing mix is physical evidence. So services usually have some tangible physical elements present. Okay, so it is not possible to separate these tangible elements from services. Suppose in case of take the example of restaurant, we see the quality of the menu card. If the menu card is made of quality paper, we feel impressed. Okay, and we observe the cleanliness and hygiene maintained by the restaurant, taste and deliciousness of food. If we like the food, then we feel great about the restaurant, and we observe the ambience. That is why most restaurants go for ambient lighting, special lighting. Okay, and they place show plants, aquariums. Okay, and they place modern furniture. Okay, so like this, the ambience can be improved. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video. Study well for the exams. All the best.